Alrighty then, with the footage in place, I want to make some changes to it. And I want to make a change to the big picture I have here. It's good to have a big picture, especially if you do want to zoom in and out, because you'll get better quality if you're going from big to small than small to big. Come over to this menu under Window to choose another menu that is not showing, and that is this one, Effects Controls. Now, with Effects Controls open, it's important to recognize that you want to click on the footage, the thing that you want to change, and be careful where you click, because in different places where you click, you might open up different controls here. But I'm going to click right down here at the bottom and choose from the video effect under Motion. There's actually one here called Scale, and Scale means size. Make sure that your playhead is at the beginning of your movie. That is super important. Otherwise, you may not be changing what you think you are changing. And to start this movie out, I want this photo to be a lot smaller. So I'm going to click right here where these numbers are and simply drag to the left until I bring it down, let's say 36%. And then I'm going to pause and make sure this looks okay. I think I want it smaller, so I'm going to drag some more. And oops, I went too small. But now I'm dragging to the right. Oh, there we go. I have it the right size that I wanted. So the whole time now, the picture is at this size. If I want to change the size of the picture when it plays, and again, if I press the space bar, you can see the whole time now, because I had the playhead, that's this thing, at the beginning when I made the change to this thing called Scale. So if I wanted to change over time, I can come over here to this little stopwatch that is right to the left of the word Scale, and again the playhead is at the beginning, and I'm going to click on the Scale checkbox. That means I have now told Premiere you can scale the picture from this size to other sizes, and I will remember what you set. So I'm going to drag the playhead over, which is somewhere in the middle of this 4-second clip. Maybe I'll even drag it over here towards 3 seconds, right in between 2 seconds and 4 seconds. And I want to make the image bigger. So I'm going to come back over here to Scale and click on this number that says 15 and drag to the right and then stop. So I've made it from 15% to 27%. And if I look at my movie now, you can see that if I press the space bar, it does a nice zooming in of the image. So that is how we can create a panning effect or a zooming effect. To move a picture left and right, we would use this one called Position. And I will show you that one now. So at this point in time, again, at the beginning of the movie, I want to tell the position to start recording. So by clicking the stopwatch, I say to my timeline and to my movie, any changes I make now, I want you to remember them. So I'm going to bring it all the way over to here where I stopped zooming. And then I'm actually going to surprise you a little bit. I'm going to move it a little tiny bit up. Really, I want to move it left or right. And I'm going to start moving it over just a tiny bit. And then I'm going to move the playhead some more to about here. And I'm going to move it over quite a bit more so that it seems to pause a little bit before it moves over. All right, I think that looks really great. So I'm going to stop right there. And in the next movie, I'm going to show you how to change the duration or the length of time of an image or a clip. See you there.